Welcome to my video. Let's spend some time troubleshooting some typical Visio printing issues. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that your printer is working, the cables are all connected, and that your printer software is up to date. If your printer is fine, then the printer error may occur if the drawing size and the printer paper size do not match. As you can see in our demonstration, our diagram has spanned several pieces of paper. And we can take a look at that a little better in the printer setup. This is definitely not how I want this to print. I would like this to be on one page. To correct this, there are a couple of things you can do. From the ribbon, select Design, and then Under Size. You can either change the paper size, or you can select Fit to Drawing. Unfortunately, that didn't make a lot of difference in my case. It cleaned it up a little bit. Next, what I'm going to do is configure the page setup. And here, we can see the printer paper and the drawing page. If I select Fit to 1 by 1, then our diagram will be adjusted to fit on one page of paper. And there we go. The adjustments have been made. And we'll take a look at that in print one more time. Wow, perfect. Sometimes you'll find that the connectors in your Visio drawing will not print correctly. Here are the most common reasons and fixes. First, the connectors are a non-printing layer of the drawing. To ensure that the connectors are printing, what you'll need to do. From the Home ribbon, select Layers, and then Layer Properties, and you'll want to ensure that you can print the connectors. If you don't want the connectors printed, uncheck this. And this is cool too. If you don't want to see the connectors, unselect Visible and hit OK, and your connectors are now gone. Let's turn those back on. You may find that some printers can't print a dashed line or a very faint line. You may need to convert it from a dashed line to a solid line. Or, if it's already a solid line, you may need to make it darker. To do so, select the line, and then from the Home ribbon, click Line, and then add some weight. I'm going to make this pretty prominent at 4.5 point, and that's all you need to do. For more Visio tips, tricks, and troubleshooting help, please see the Visio support page.